Yo, what's up, guys? Beyblade unboxing, that's what's up.
BBG.
Divine Fox 90 W squared D.
Oh,
Let's get
I'm
to the
so
opening.
excited. Not.
Whoa, the power level is over 9,000.
Oh,
Okay,
look
just
at
kidding.
that define.
Come on, disassemble.
Disgusting stickers.
Hey, don't hate on
Just
first
kidding. I
series.
love storm packs.
W squared D tip. Baseball.
Like we said
90
earlier,
track.
it's the nipple tip.
90 track, one of the lower
Divine.
tracks in the
Fox.
series.
It's just such a good looking track.
You're such a good looking track.
I know, thank you. Big tool.
Small
tool.
Small tools.
Those are for the little haters out there. Okay, I'm gonna apply the stickers right now. I'm gonna
Don't mess
assemble
up.
the
Don't mess up like what you did
Okay,
with
you guys are so
Jupiter.
You guys always make me mess up. I'm not gonna attach it on. I'm not gonna show you guys. I'll just do my thing.
That's a
Do my
lot of
thing.
stickers.
Why are you so
actually.
quick?
I'll do my thing. I'll do my thing.
Oh, pressure's on.
Yo,
Oh, that's pretty good.
big tool.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, these stickers. Oh, so many stickers to put on the wheel. There's like 10,000.
Hey, I think after that it will look nice.
It will though.
Before.
Okay, done, guys. Boom.
Finished product.
Sorry, guys.
Nice
Upside down.
sticker job there.
I know, off camera.
Cut.
And as always,
Geeks out.